Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best GroundClear is probably one of the most effective and versatile solutions available for tackling stubborn weeds and unwanted grass, offering a powerful formula designed to quickly eliminate vegetation from driveways, patios, and other non-lawn areas, ensuring a clean and tidy outdoor space with minimal effort. Number 5. Ortho GroundClear Year-Long Vegetation Killer Concentrate. Introducing a powerful concentrate that eliminates existing weeds and grasses. It effectively prevents regrowth for up to 1 full year. This fast-acting formula starts working immediately to kill weeds down to the root. Achieve visible results quickly and efficiently. Perfect for use on driveways, sidewalks, and gravel areas. It's also ideal for landscaping, under decks, and along fences. Simply mix 24 fluid ounces of concentrate per gallon of water using a tank hose sprayer. Application is straightforward and convenient. One 2-gallon container provides enough solution to treat an impressive area of up to 3,200 square feet. Get comprehensive coverage with ease. What we like. This concentrate formula is designed for long-term control, preventing regrowth for up to a year. If you're looking for a set-it-and-forget-it solution for areas like driveways, sidewalks, or gravel paths where you want minimal maintenance, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want to tackle tough vegetation and keep it at bay for an extended period. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for keeping my yard looking neat and tidy. It effectively kills weeds and grass without damaging my flower beds. I love how easy it is to use, just spray and watch the weeds disappear. Number 4. Ortho GroundClear Weed and Grass Killer with Comfort Wand, 1 gallon. Tired of weeds taking over your yard? Our powerful formula starts working on contact, showing results in as little as 15 minutes. Reclaim your outdoor spaces quickly and easily. Don't let unexpected rain ruin your hard work. Once dry, this killer becomes rainproof within 2 hours, ensuring it stays put and keeps working. It effectively targets and eliminates a broad spectrum of unwanted plants, including common culprits like dandelions, chickweed, crabgrass, and even moss. Enjoy comprehensive coverage for your entire yard. Applying it is a breeze thanks to the ergonomic Comfort Wand. Easily target and eliminate the weeds you want gone without the strain. For the most effective control, apply when weeds are young and actively growing. Ensure they are dry before you begin for optimal results. This OMRI-listed formula is suitable for organic gardening. Use it with confidence around your plants and in your landscape beds. What we like. This ready-to-use spray offers rapid results, showing effectiveness in just 15 minutes and becoming rainproof within 2 hours. If you need a quick fix for visible weeds on walkways, driveways, or landscape beds and want to ensure your efforts aren't washed away by unexpected rain, this is the product for you. The included Comfort Wand also makes application easy and targeted. What people say. It kills weeds and grass. It works great and kills everything. It is a good product that kills weeds. Number 3. Spectracide Weed and Grass Killer with AccuShot Power Sprayer. Tired of stubborn weeds and grass taking over your outdoor spaces? Spectracide Weed and Grass Killer is your solution for a pristine yard. It effectively eliminates unwanted vegetation, ensuring your driveways, walkways, and garden beds remain clear. This powerful formula doesn't just trim the tops, it eradicates weeds and grasses right from the root. You'll see visible results in as little as 3 hours, allowing you to enjoy your beautifully maintained landscape sooner. Achieve effortless application with the included AccuShot Power Sprayer. Its continuous power and extendable wand make reaching every spot a breeze, ensuring complete coverage without the strain. Don't wait weeks to bring new life to your garden. With Spectracide, you can replant flowers, trees, and shrubs the very same weekend after application. Enjoy a fresh start in no time. Worried about unexpected showers? Our formula is rain-fast, meaning rainfall or watering just 15 minutes after application won't diminish its effectiveness. Your weed control stays put, no matter the weather. What we like. This option provides visible results quickly, killing weeds and grasses down to the root in as little as 3 hours, and it's rain-fast in just 15 minutes. If you need to clear areas like driveways, walkways, or around landscaping and want to see fast, effective results, this is a strong contender. The AccuShot power sprayer with an extendable wand also ensures easy and precise application. What people say. This product is a lifesaver, it kills weeds and grass quickly and effectively. I have used this product for years and it always works great. It kills all types of weeds and grass, and it is very easy to use. I love this product. It is very effective at killing weeds and grass, and it is also very safe to use around my pets and children. Number 2. Spruce Snap and Spray Weed and Grass Killer Starter Kit. Meet the Spruce Snap and Spray Weed and Grass Killer Starter Kit. It's your simple solution for a weed-free yard. Our formula is safe for use around people and pets when used as directed. One bottle can effectively treat up to 400 weeds, making yard maintenance a breeze. Watch as it works to dehydrate and kill weeds within an hour. It effectively tackles all types of broadleaf and grassy weeds, including common lawn invaders. This versatile spray is perfect for use in mulch beds, driveways, walkways, and for spot treating weeds in gardens and landscape areas. For best results, apply at the first sign of weed growth. Using it is simple: unlock the switch, spray the entire plant until wet, and then lock it for storage. The reusable wand and no-mess formula make application straightforward. This kit includes a reusable wand and a 64-ounce bottle of our no-mix, no-pour herbicide. Don't forget to grab refills and try Easy IM for those stubborn cracks and edges. What we like. This product stands out with its worry-free, pet-safe formula that delivers visible results in just 1 hour. If you have pets or children and are looking for a weed killer that is safe to use around them, especially for spot treating around lawns, gardens, or mulch beds, this is an excellent option. Its no-mix, no-pour design also makes it incredibly convenient for quick touch-ups. What people say. It killed the weeds and grass in my driveway and patio. It kills weeds and grass and is safe to use around my dog and children. It works great and kills weeds and grass. Number 1. Spectracide Weed and Grass Killer 1.33 gallons. Introducing Spectracide Weed and Grass Killer, your solution for unwanted vegetation. This powerful formula is designed for effective weed and grass control. See visible results in as little as 3 hours. You can even replant new flowers, trees, and shrubs just 1 day after application. This product is formulated to kill weeds and grasses right down to the root. Ensure complete coverage of the target vegetation's leaves for maximum effectiveness. Don't worry about unexpected rain. It is rain fast, meaning rainfall or watering 15 minutes after application will not diminish its effectiveness. Perfect for use on driveways and walkways. It's also safe to use around fences, trees, flower beds, and shrubs. This is an AccuShot refill, designed for use with the AccuShot continuous power sprayer. The sprayer is sold separately with the Spectracide Weed and Grass Killer. What we like. This fast-acting formula kills weeds and grasses down to the root and is rain-fast in just 15 minutes, making it highly effective even with unpredictable weather. If you need a reliable solution for driveways and walkways and want to ensure your weed treatment holds up against rain or watering shortly after application, this is a great choice. It's designed for quick, thorough kill and lasting effectiveness. What people say. It works great and kills weeds fast. This product is very effective at killing weeds and grass. I have used this product for years and it always works. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.